Y'all, it's cruise day.
What's up, everybody? I'm Sam.
I'm Dan.
This is Positive Vibes and Good Times.
Alright guys, so today we are going to be getting on the Oasis of the Seas.
It is the day.
It is the day, and we are so excited.
Very excited. We're going to be selling, we're going to be dancing, we're going to be eating,
Drinking.
doing all the above. And we're going to take you along with us.
Yep, so come along guys, we'll see you at the ship.
See ya.
I get there. Alright guys, we're walking on the boat now.
Alrighty.
Here we go.
The journey begins.
How excited are you?
Very excited. I'm very anxious and excited. I'm gonna get a hot dog.
From a 1 to 1,000, how excited are you?
1,000.
Oh, okay.
You know, so we're gonna show you guys what's going on. So maybe next year we can all go together. How about that? What y'all guys think about that?
No more dry land for 3 days. Let's get to an elevator.
Oh my God, here we go with the elevator.
Sorrento's
Here we go before you pizza place.
Pizza at 3 in the morning.
You gotta love it.
What was in there?
Wow.
I know. Guys, we're gonna show you the new Spotlight Karaoke real quick. Oh, an elevator's just waiting for us. Just so you guys know, it's Sunday.
Sunday fun day, as they say at home.
Whoa, they got rid of the artwork.
Yeah, they did.
Huh.
It probably take a view away from the view.
Oh, we gotta hit our room.
Oh, they got new.
They got
They
new
got new
things.
elevators. Go.
Alright guys, we are excited and we are going to show you all of this cool new stuff.
Yes, we're gonna take you on an adventure with us for the next 7 days.
Yeah.
Get a balcony. I prefer you to get a balcony.
Yep, even if you get the Central Park or the Boardwalk, even those are pretty awesome. Interior,
It's not pretty pleasant. It's very dark and scary.
So because of this being a brand new ship, well, brand new refurbished, we're the first sailors, so that means we get to go straight to our rooms. Alright guys, we are in our room.
We are in our room.
Alright. How about it guys?
What you guys think?
We got all new stuff inside the room. Guys, we're gonna take you out on this balcony. Alright, yeah. If you guys look back behind me, that's the brand new Encore ship. Miami off in the distance. The luggage operations going on below us.
I think I see mine. Just kidding. Came down to deck 6. My favorite place to get a hot dog.
And guys, so this is one of the things that make us realize we're on a cruise ship. The first thing we do is we come to the boardwalk and we get ourselves a hot dog. A lot of people go to the Windjammer, all the other places, and they're crowded. You go to the hot dog, you walk right up, nobody's in line. When you do get on one of these big ships, all the restaurants, the buffets are normally pretty crowded because everybody's pretty hungry from all their traveling and stuff. With a hot dog stand.
#1 fan.
Yep. We happen to find one of the new chairs.
All right, relaxing and lounging.
Oh yeah. It's a lime and coconut bar. They redid this whole top deck, man.
I love it.
This is pretty cool.
It's pretty awesome.
They got little cabanas, these chairs. Yeah, I think it's time to go get a drink, guys.
Yeah.
Maybe Miami Vice. Since we are in Miami. What you gonna do?
I'm not sure. Something just nice and refreshing.
We could deal with some better weather today, but
Yeah, it's not the best today down here. Lord,
I ain't complaining though.
Me either. I'm thankful. Thank you, Jesus.
Yep, let's go get a drink.
All right.
And we got our drinks.
Yeah, he's doing the Miami Vice, and I'm doing the special of the day.
The Royal Lemonade.
All right.
Lime and coconut is pretty awesome.
Yeah.
I think this is probably one of my favorite features on a Royal Caribbean ship. Having all these cabanas, these cool chairs.
Just feel like you in paradise.
Yeah.
Barbecue on the boat. What do you think about that? It's called
Yeah.
Portside Barbecue.
How about that?
So we're gonna check it out later on. We're not gonna go to it right now, but it's a new spot on the boat. It's something.
It's pretty nice.
Across water, you can have barbecue.
And this place, this area used to be kind of a waste of space, and they really, yeah.
I'm glad that they did it.
And the El Loco Fresh right across over there.
Get all the tacos you want. Shredded, chicken, beef, all kind of toppings.
We are eating again.
Tacos.
El Loco Fresh.
All right. I got nachos and cheese with some meat, cheese.
Oh,
I got a
quesadilla.
chicken quesadilla and a little Spanish rice. I don't want to get too much because I don't want to spoil my appetite, you know, because there's so many places to eat on here.
Yeah.
Gotta do one thing, one at a time, slowly but surely.
Miami in the background.
Welcome to Miami.
Just wanted to show you guys, there's a full court basketball on a cruise ship.
What's up, guys? Welcome back.
We made it through the mustard drill, guys.
Oh, jeez.
So for those of you who don't know that haven't cruised before, the mustard drill is basically like the safety thing, kind of like they do on the airplanes, put the masks on, all that stuff.
Just to letting you know what to do, where to go, what you shouldn't do.
And everybody has to go.
Everybody.
Yeah, it's about to be sail away time, so we're gonna go up top and we'll see you guys up there.
All right. Positive vibes, good times. Oh, everybody clap your hands. Clap, 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 clap. Hey, all right. Low, can you go? All right. Can you go down low? All right. All the way to the floor. Oh. Get in there. Yeah. Hey, yeah. Hey, big girl, won't you bag it up? What they say about little girl?
Oh.
Hey, little girl, won't you bag it up?
Alright, Positive Vibers, hope y'all enjoyed Embarkation Day. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so that way you'll get to see our next sea days. Can't wait for those on our way to Royal Caribbean's private island in Labadee, Haiti. It's gonna be a great one, guys. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see y'all next time on Positive Vibe Adventures. Later, y'all!